Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's Monday, new week has started, and by that I just want to dive in on the weekly time frame at the moment, and I want to see how the progress has been so far for Luna Classic. We've had some amazing green candles here after a very long time. We've actually seen Luna Classic for so many months now being down. So if I had to do the count, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 1 year of a downtrend right there, even more than 1 year of downtrend. And now finally you've made some reversals, candles right here. You made some few pin bars right there, and this is followed by a green candle, and things are looking pretty amazing once again. So I do hope in the next 17 days this actually ends up being red. It's going to be important for the month of November to close, sorry, not red, but green for Luna Classic. And then December might be followed by probably a doji or just another green candle to the upside. But if November closes at this price level, 8,331, that's going to be very, very positive. So going back in the weekly, because this is what I want to talk about, I'm going to bring the EMAs again, and you have been above the 10 and the 20 EMA for the very first time after this was back in January 2020. So from the beginning of the year, this is when you were trying to struggle to close above the 10 and the 20, and eventually you got rejected, and it has been a downtrend ever since. But once again, you've made that massive green candle. Let's check the volume and the health of the volume as well. So going to bring in the volume, hide the EMAs as well. And here we go. So the volume is not that great. It's just okay. I'm not a very big fan of the volume that was printed right now. And there are some few headlines in the past as well, like 5 days ago, Terra Luna Classic to hold Ask Me Anything on X on November 9th. Oh, that was pretty cool. Okay. Now, I'm going to hide the volume here once again and bring the EMAs. So basically, now that you are above the 10 and the 20, it is time to maybe consolidate a little bit, and the next mission is to come up to the 55, which is going to be a price appreciation to 10,670. That's what makes a lot of sense. And there is a pattern going on which is known as descending broadening wedge, and from here you can see, if I do bring the trend line, so you have the prices right now, which is pretty much straight like this. You have this one resistance, and one resistance there, and then you have this move to the downside with a support, and a support, right? So all this pattern is a one big descending broadening wedge. And what I'm going to do is take back the regular diagram and take in a trend line and tell you the next technical target based on the weekly. So from there to there, we may be looking at Luna Classic. If you break above 10,000 and hold 9,600, then you pretty much you're going to come up to 13,000 price target. So it is meant to happen. Again, falling wedge really tells us that Luna Classic in the future is actually meant to even move higher. But I don't know how it's going to move. With a big massive green candle, maybe slowly take the whole 2024 majority part of the next year to go to the upside. I cannot say anything, but the target is actually to the upside. How you go there, no guarantees. And that's it for this quick update on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.